This is Rosie. She sews all our bags. She's amazing. Poor little Rosie sits here all day sewing slippers, but that's good because we're busy. We're busy, right, Rosie? Oh yeah, well I'm gonna get started.
And this is Travis. Travis helps with a little bit of everything, including sewing the tiny candles. This is Larry, my production manager. He's had every single Flipbird bag and he's been in the business for 50 years. Hello, Larry. And here we go showing you how we cut our awesome labels. Everyone is screen printed and cut by hand. So there you have it, a little behind the scenes with Flipbird.